All right, so we're at Turkiye Kebab House again. Told you I was going to be back. Going to try something different today. So here we got our eggplant and the yogurt with the fresh bread. We got the Turkish tea. This is liver. I'm going to have some liver. So this is liver cubes with some lemon, some onions and everything. I'm going to try that. And then I've got, it's like a Turkish pizza right here, flatbread with meats and everything on top and with some lemon. I've been looking forward to the liver. So let's give it a try. Rub-a-dub-dub, thanks for the grub. Let's get it on. All right, so I'm gonna start off with some of this right here. Since it's just me, I'm going all in. As good as always. I always like getting certain things twice, but I'm gonna try the liver now. So this is like liver cubes here, like some kind of greenery. I'm not sure how to eat it, but I'm going with what feels right to me. So I'm gonna put a little lemon on top. So now these are both kind of appetizers. The liver's good. I didn't like liver back when I was younger, and now liver turns into an adult dish for me. So whenever I get a chance to try liver, especially different cultures, I like to try the liver. And sometimes when people make liver, it's like too grainy or something, but this has got good flavor to it. So, It tastes even better with the greens. That's good. I like the liver. So the liver's good. I'm gonna try this now. That's with 2 cubes in it. That joint's still strong. All right, now, if I remember correctly, my friend Ken showed me how to eat this, so it's kind of like a tortilla. So, you know, I wash my hands. Keep hand sanitizer in the car, just saying. Mm. Ah. Wow. Mm. This is kind of refreshing. I almost would want to put some hot sauce on it or something, just because I like things a little spicier, but this is very nice and refreshing. It's very light. So I just put the tomatoes, the lettuce in there, roll it up nice. It's not heavy, but it's kind of filling. Since there's no rules, I'm going to probably mix a little bit of everything and put it in there and see how it tastes. But yeah, another good selection. Everything here is so nice and fresh, so I do like it. I'm going to finish eating, and there we go. So everything was delicious. I had the liver, then I had like a Turkish pizza. I put some of the liver in there. Not so much with the liver in there, but just having that Turkish pizza is so good. It's nice, light, refreshing. I had that. I don't feel full. The liver had just the right amount of seasoning. Now, I was just saying that when I was little, I didn't like liver, but I would have it, and now I like liver. I actually pick it on the menus. So whenever I see a place that has liver on the menu, I'll probably get it. And this one was not, it wasn't stringy. It was little cubes. It was chopped up nice and clean finish. Great seasoning. And all the food just, it feels so alive to have the food here. So I definitely would suggest coming back. You know, I wanted to come back and try the liver. That was first on my list. And I wanted to try that pizza. So mission accomplished. Hey, let me know if you got any favorite Turkish dishes. Let me know. Let me know in the comments or reach out to me on social media. So until next adventure, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I will see you all soon.